Crash Course on Canadian Wildlife, showcase Canada's unique and diverse wildlife. Canada is home to an incredible variety of wildlife, from the iconic moose to the elusive Canada lynx. With its vast wilderness areas, diverse ecosystems, and long history of conservation efforts, Canada is truly a wildlife lover's paradise. One of the most recognizable animals in Canada is the moose. These majestic creatures can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and stand over 6 feet tall at the shoulder. They are found throughout the country, from the boreal forests of the north to the deciduous forests of the south. Moose are known for their distinctive antlers, which can grow up to 6 feet wide and weigh over 60 pounds. Another iconic Canadian animal is the grizzly bear. These powerful predators are found in the wilds of British Columbia, Alberta, and the Yukon. Grizzlies can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and stand over 7 feet tall on their hind legs. They are known for their incredible strength and agility, as well as their distinctive hump on their backs. Canada is also home to a number of unique and endangered species, such as the woodland caribou. These majestic animals are found in the boreal forests of northern Canada and are known for their distinctive antlers, which are covered in soft velvet during the summer months. Woodland caribou populations have been declining in recent years due to habitat loss and other factors, making them a conservation priority in Canada. Another endangered species found in Canada is the swift fox. These small, agile predators are found in the grasslands of southern Alberta and Saskatchewan. They are known for their speed and agility, as well as their distinctive black-tipped tails. Canada is also home to a number of fascinating aquatic species, such as the beluga whale. These white whales are found in the Arctic and subarctic waters off the coast of Canada and are known for their distinctive white coloration and bulbous forehead. Belugas are highly social animals and are known for their vocalizations, which are among the most complex of any marine mammal. Another fascinating aquatic species found in Canada is the Atlantic salmon. These fish are found in rivers and streams throughout eastern Canada and are prized by anglers for their size and fighting ability. Atlantic salmon populations have declined in recent years due to overfishing, habitat loss, and other factors, making conservation efforts critical. Canada is also home to a number of smaller, but no less fascinating, species such as the Canada lynx. These elusive predators are found in the boreal forests of northern Canada and are known for their distinctive ear tufts and large, padded paws. They are highly skilled hunters, able to stalk and catch prey in deep snow. Another small but fascinating species found in Canada is the puffin. These colorful seabirds are found along the coast of Newfoundland and Labrador and are known for their distinctive beaks and bright orange feet. They are highly skilled swimmers and can dive up to 200 feet in search of fish. Finally, no discussion of Canadian wildlife would be complete without mentioning the beaver. These industrious rodents are found throughout Canada and are known for their ability to build dams and lodges using branches and mud. They are important ecosystem engineers, creating habitat for a variety of other species. Canada's wildlife is truly diverse and fascinating, and there is always more to learn and discover. Whether you are a wildlife enthusiast, an angler, or simply someone who appreciates the natural world, Canada's wilderness areas offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. One interesting story about Canadian wildlife is the comeback of the gray wolf in Yellowstone National Park in the United States. Although gray wolves were once widespread throughout North America, they were hunted to near extinction in the early 20th century. In 1995, a group of Canadian gray wolves was reintroduced to Yellowstone as part of a conservation effort. Today, the park is home to over 100 wolves, and their reintroduction has had a profound impact on the ecosystem, including reducing the overpopulation of elk and improving the health of vegetation. Another fascinating aspect of Canadian wildlife is the annual migration of the monarch butterfly. These delicate insects travel over 4,000 kilometers each year from their breeding grounds in Canada to their overwintering sites in Mexico. Along the way, they must navigate a variety of obstacles, including wind, rain, and predators. The migration of the monarch butterfly is one of the most impressive feats of the natural world, and a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these tiny creatures. Canada is also home to a number of unique and interesting bird species, such as the bald eagle. These majestic birds of prey are found throughout Canada and are known for their distinctive white heads and powerful talons. Bald eagles are highly skilled hunters, able to catch fish in midair or snatch prey from the water's surface. Another fascinating bird species found in Canada is the great gray owl. These large, silent hunters are found in the boreal forests of northern Canada and are known for their distinctive facial disc and large, expressive eyes. They are highly skilled hunters, able to catch prey in complete darkness using their keen senses of hearing and sight. Canada's wildlife is not only fascinating, but also plays an important role in the country's economy and culture. Hunting and fishing are popular pastimes for many Canadians, and the country's wilderness areas are home to a thriving ecotourism industry. In addition, Canada's wildlife has been the subject of countless works of art, literature, and music, reflecting the deep connection that Canadians have with the natural world. Overall, Canada's wildlife is a source of pride and wonder for Canadians and visitors alike. From the iconic moose and grizzly bear to the smaller but no less fascinating species such as the puffin and Canada lynx, Canada's wilderness areas are home to a truly diverse and captivating array of wildlife. Whether you are a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty and complexity of the natural world, Canada's wildlife is sure to capture your imagination and leave a lasting impression.